Hey everybody. We have a TC325 tire machine. The symptom was the drum itself would stop turning and it would not actuate. So after taking this apart one time, we put it back together with some grease and everything looked okay, but it still wouldn't actuate. So we ended up finding the problem. And what you have to do is you actually have to pull out this full assembly piece. The drive motor has a big nut on top. You just got to break the nut loose, and then it gives you access to the cover. You pull out the cover, which are those two covers, and then it hides these mounting bolts. Once you pull out the mounting bolt, the whole drive assembly pops out. And this is what was wrong with it. So if you have a TC325 where you're actuating the pedals and it's not turning and the claws are not opening up and down to grab the tires, this is what's wrong. So we have the drive motor apart, and it's just a really straightforward setup. There's a main shaft over there, and there's a plastic drive that sits on top of the main shaft, and there's actually no mechanical pieces, so there's nothing in here that can physically break. So don't pull this apart. We already pulled it apart for you. It's just a plastic drum where the air pushes in, and then you have a plastic piece right here. There's three seals. There's three rubber seals, and one of the rubber seals was broken, but that wasn't the problem. So we're getting those changed regardless, and those three seals will sit on the lip here, but that's not the problem. You don't need to pull this apart. The problem is up on the top. Up on the top, there is this little air assembly, and it allows air to go in at a metered rate. And this cover sits on the inside, and just over with years, it degraded. So when we pulled this thing apart, we found these little pieces inside, and it's just hard plastic. And we were talking to the guys and thinking, like, where did this come from? We had to find the source of this. And we open up this valve, and so these little caps in here, I'm sure they meter air. These are all broken. So call up your tire shop guy and have him give you this whole valve assembly. We're actually doing that right now. We'll assemble it, and then we'll get some new O-rings. And I'm sure this machine will work. So this is really awesome that we found this. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Subscribe, like, give us a shout out. My mechanic G and my mechanic L, hell yeah. So good work. All right, guys, good luck.